Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Luqman, chapter number 31, verse number 14. وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حَمَلَتُ أُمُّهُ وَهْنًا عَلَى وَهْنٍ وَفِصَالُهُ فِي أَعْمَيْنِ. And we have enjoined upon man kindness to his parents. His mother bore him with weakness upon weakness, and gave birth to him with weakness, and his weaning is in 2 years. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Ahqaf, chapter number 46, verse number 15, that I have enjoined upon man kindness to his parents. His mother bore him with weakness upon weakness, and gave birth to him with weakness, and his weaning is in 2 years. Therefore, we have to respect our parents. We have to be kind to our parents. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, chapter number 2, hadith number 2, جاء رجل إلى الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم فقال يا رسول الله من أحق الناس بحسن صحابتي؟ قال أمك. قال ثم من؟ قال ثم أمك. قال ثم من؟ قال ثم أمك. قال ثم من؟ قال ثم أبوك. رواه Bukhari. A man came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked him, who deserves my maximum love and companionship? Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, your mother. The man asked, who's next? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, your mother. The man asked, who's next? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, your mother. The man asked for the 4th time, who's next? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, your father. In short, 75%, 3/4 of your love and companionship goes to your mother, and 25%, 1/4 of your love and companionship goes to your father. In short, the mother gets the gold medal, she gets the silver medal, as well as she gets the bronze medal. The father has to be satisfied with a mere consolation prize. These are the teachings of Islam. And we have to respect our parents. We have to be kind to our parents. And in Islam, men and women are overall equal. Equality does not mean identicality. Men and women, they're equal, but they're not identical. For example, if in a school, student A and student B, they get the highest marks. The question paper, it is out of 100 marks. And both student A and student B get 80 out of 100. If you analyze, in question number 1, student A, he gets 9 out of 10. And student B gets 7 out of 10. And in question number 2, student B gets 9 out of 10, and student A gets 7 out of 10. And the remaining 8 questions, both get 8 out of 10. And if you analyze, both of them get 80 out of 100. But in question number 1, student A has a degree of advantage, and in question number 2, student B has a degree of advantage. But overall, they both are equal. Similarly, in Islam, in some aspects, man has a degree of advantage, and in some aspects, woman has a degree of advantage. For example, if a robber comes in my house, I will not tell my mother to go and fight. I will not tell my sister to go and fight. I will not tell I believe in women's rights. I will not tell my mother to go and fight. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given me more strength, so I will go and fight. As far as strength is concerned, man has a degree of advantage. And as I mentioned earlier, where love and companionship come, a woman has a degree of advantage. So in some aspects, a man has a degree of advantage, and in some aspects, a woman has a degree of advantage. But overall, they both are equal. And for further details, you can refer to my DVD, Women's Rights in Islam, Modernizing or Outdated, where I have divided this talk into 6 subheadings: the economic rights, the social rights, the legal rights, the spiritual rights, the educational rights, and the political rights of a woman in Islam.